Welcome back, everyone. Next, we have Nature's Miracle Holding Inc. trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol NMHI. It's a growing agricultural technology company providing equipment and services to growers in the controlled environment agriculture industry, which also includes vertical farming in North America. Please welcome its CEO, James Lee. Before James begins, we're going to start with a video. Roll it.
In the heart of tomorrow's cities, innovation is not just a concept, it's a way of life. Welcome to Nature's Miracle, where the future is cultivated. Nature's Miracle is a company dedicated to pioneering the future of agriculture with innovative controlled environment agriculture technology, providing sustainable methods to reshape the agriculture industries worldwide.
At Nature Miracle, we are changing agriculture with our CEA technology, offering consumer high quality and low cost vegetable products.
Here, we're not merely cultivating crops. We're laying the groundwork for the cities of the future. We are combining renewable energy, AI data centers, and vertical farming to form a new way of life. Ensure that urban landscapes flourish with fresh and sustainable produce.
We are committed to carbon reduction, water conservation, and energy efficiency.
From towering vertical farms to compact smart indoor gardens, we're shaping the cities of tomorrow and revolutionizing urban agriculture, reducing carbon emissions, as well as irrigating water, providing fresh, sustainable produce to fuel the lives of everyone on this soil. So join us in crafting a future where innovation and sustainability converge.
Nature's Miracle, where miracles happen.
All right, James, the floor is yours whenever you're ready.
All right, thank you very much, Anna, and very nice to be on the call with the audience from the Emerging Growth Conference. I would like to share our slides and go through what Nature Miracle is doing right now. Nature Miracle Holding is a growing agriculture technology company providing service and solution to grower in the controlled environment agriculture industry around North America and also other parts of the world. In March of this year, we became a publicly listed company on NASDAQ by merging with the SPAC vehicle. Nature Miracle currently provides a very versatile indoor growing solution, including but not limited to LED grow light, nutrient, grow media, container farm, small to large plant factory, fully controlled and automated greenhouse in North America. Our goal is really become a one-stop shopping provider of equipment and services to our CEA customer in North America. CEA, an indoor technology-based approach of cultivating crops under optimal growing condition, is growing very rapidly because of the consumer demand for low environment impact food and other produce. Compared to the traditional farming, CEA save about 90% of water and has a production effectiveness up to 30 times compared to the traditional farming technology. CEA includes the vertical farming sector and also indoor cultivation of ever-increasing range of specialty crops for use in a variety of industry. The global CEA market is projected to grow from the 2023 to roughly a little bit over 50 billion to over $70 billion in 2030. Nature's Miracle Holding is a Delaware company. It's listed currently on NASDAQ with a ticker of NMHI. We have 4 subsidiaries: Vigentech Group, Hydroman, Nature Miracle California, and also Nature Miracle Canada. So we provide from horticultural lighting to grow light to greenhouse development and other forms of vertical farming technology. Nature Miracle is really positioned to become an integrated solution provider for the increasing CEA market. Currently, we are providing equipment, consumable, and rebate financing type of services to our customer. And in the future, we want really to be able to provide a full range of services to our customer in this industry. Our product offering including LED light, irrigation system, power distribution system, environmental control system, consumable, container farming, grow media, and so forth. At the same time, we can also offer our grower solution, including greenhouse system, automated vertical farm factory, scalable and modular container grow system. One thing I want to point out, one of the difference we are compared to our competitor is that we are striving to provide low-cost, sustainable vertical farming and greenhouse solution to our partner. So one of the main and core product we have are the cutting-edge LED technology grow light. So currently, we offer our customer Infinity brand name and also our partner in Illumina brand name and Hydroman. Our LED light have proven to be energy saving and highly productive and has a strong brand awareness in our customer base. We can also offer other product, including nutrient, grow media, and so forth for our customer. So on this slide, you can see the detail of the light product we are offering. And we are really pride in offering quality product with a full professional spectrum to meet the need of our indoor growing customer. In addition, we are also offering other systems, including racking system, dehumidifier, and so forth. One of the main products we are offering right now is container farming. So far this year, we have delivered 2 containers to one of our customers in the US. And we believe container farming is one of the answers to address the high cost of vertical farming and greenhouse industry in the US. Because in the container farm, all of the equipment and solutions are pre-assembled, and they are essentially made to plug and play. So it saves a tremendous amount of installation costs. In addition, we are adding automation to the container farm, which also saves the operating costs going forward. We can also offer other scalable container farm system, including multiple container farm system. Right now, one of the research and development project we're doing is what we call 5+1 container farm. And essentially a 5+1 container farm has a production equivalent of 10 acres of greenhouse, but at a fraction cost of a similar greenhouse system. And we believe this will change the vertical farming and greenhouse industry by significantly lower the installation costs and also the operating costs going forward. So these are one of the products that we can also offer to our customer, which is essentially a micro module plant factory. This is a little bit bigger than a container, but also it's a form of indoor vertical farming solution. So inside a micro module plant factory, we can grow a variety of types of vegetable at a fraction cost of a similar setup. So based on this technology, we can offer a small plant factory, a medium plant factory, and also large plant factory, depending on customers' need. Essentially, with this system, we have a fully automated environmental digital control system, which can control the light, can control the temperature, CO2 level, humidity level, and so forth. So these slides show how a nutrient goes through our plant factory system. We're also adding a robotic system to our micro module system and also our container farm to reduce labor costs associated with the running plant factory. Our management team, including myself, I'm the founder, chairman, and the CEO of Nature's Miracle, George Yutuc, he's our chief financial officer, Jonathan Zhang is the president of the company, and Vic is our senior vice president, and Kirk is the director of sales for our company. Our management team has a very diverse background, spanning from finance, agriculture, light industry, and so forth. So we believe we have a very good team in place to grow the Nature's Miracle to the next level. We have a 5-person board. Essentially, myself, Jonathan are the part of the board member. We also have Chuck Hausman, David Sherman, and John Montgomery as our directors. Our director have extensive experience in running company and also being director of public company. And we really are very proud of our board member. So that's a very brief introduction of Nature's Miracle. If our audience or potential investor have any question, feel free to reach out to our CFO, George Yutuc, at the contact information on the screen. At the meantime, Anna, so this is my presentation. I would love to take additional questions from the audience.
All right, great, thank you, great job. We do have a question. Noah asks, who are your customers? Do you have both consumer and commercial customers?
Our customers are mostly business customer, commercial grower in the U.S., and we do not have a consumer customer. So we're essentially a 2B business.
Thank you. And Caitlin Weeks has a question about your grow light. Obviously, this is for indoor use. Are they being sold for existing greenhouses?
Yes, we have about 600 existing customers in North America. These have been used for indoor. So these are LED light, energy saving light, great for a variety of plants. Yeah, we're selling them for indoor application.
And talk about the market that NMHI is addressing and some of the opportunities there.
Yes, so I'm glad that you asked that question, Anna. So the global horticultural LED market was about $3 billion in 2022. It's projected to grow to over $10 billion by 2027 at a 23% annual compound rate because of the demand of vertical farming and greenhouse application around the world. And one of the bright opportunities we're seeing in our market is the energy rebate market. So essentially, energy rebate market is a product of the Inflation Reduction Act passed by the federal government in 2022. The aim is to reduce the energy use, promote the clean energy application. So we work with grid around the country to help commercial grower to switch from energy-intensive grow light to more energy-saving LED grow light. And currently, 78% of the U.S. are covered by an active commercial energy rebate program. And the market is estimated to be over $1 billion. We believe there's a strong growth in this market because of the requirement by the federal government and also the desire by the utility to save energy. So this is one of the market we will focus for the rest of 2024 and also for next year.
And Chris asks, do you have a sales team that goes to prospective customers and puts together a package? How exactly do you work with the sales team?
Currently, we have a sales team spread across the U.S. from Colorado, Ohio, California, Oklahoma, and so forth. And right now, 60 to 70% of our sales are generated from our existing customer. At the same time, our sales force actively reach out to potential new customer by going through industry convention, show, and by interacting with potential customer.
Cole asks, are there certain crops that will not grow well on your platform?
Generally, indoor growing are good for microgreen, tomato, cucumber, that sort of thing. And obviously, we don't want to grow large kind of a commodity type of crops like corn or wheat, that sort of. Even technically, you can grow them, but it's just not efficient.
So what is unique about your container farming system?
I think the best part of our container farming system is the low cost. And because we have the container prefabricated with all the application inside. So once you have the container system delivered to our customer side, they save on the labor cost for putting together vertical farming or greenhouse structure, which is typically like a real estate project. So you save a tremendous amount of installation cost. In comparison, we believe we can save up to 80 to 90% of installation cost. And as you know, greenhouse and vertical farming industry in the U.S., one of the biggest problems for the industry are the high capital expenditure associated with to setting up a indoor growing facility, which will make the facility difficult to be profitable and sustainable over long term. So we believe our system will address that question and also be more affordable and sustainable.
Letitia asks, how much do they cost? What's the range from the smaller rack to the containers? And is there recurring revenue?
Yes, there will be recurring. Well, to answer your first question, our individual container costs around $120,000. And we're also putting together a state-of-the-art 5+1 container system, which will cost about $1 million, but which will have a production yield of roughly 10 acres of traditional farm. And in terms of the recurrent revenue, what we are striving to do is to provide consumable to our customer by providing nutrient, grow media, and so forth. And in the future, what we want to do is really, as I outlined in my presentation, is to become an integrated service provider. Hopefully, we can offer financing, we can offer energy services, we can even offer customer channel for our customers to sell their product eventually to either a supermarket or restaurant chain or consumer.
And talk a little bit about, talk more about the growth plan for NMHI.
Yeah, we have two parts of our growth plan are number one, organic growth. In terms of organic growth, as I pointed out, energy rebate market is going to be, we're going to make a big push in that market. Our core product are energy saving light, but also we're launching new products such as dehumidifier, which can also qualify for energy rebate market. So we want to tap into this market and achieve organic growth by providing more product to the same customer by increasing our product offering. We're also looking at strategic acquisition or with other industry partner. Currently, we're in discussion with a number of players in the industry. So our goal is really to become a platform of indoor growing solution and product.
And Jim Armstrong wants to know, where are you currently selling and how far geographically is your reach?
Currently, we're selling all over the U.S. and we also have some sale in Canada. So right now, we want to focus on in North American market, but obviously, the demand for CEA industry come worldwide in the Middle East, in Europe, and so forth. But right now, we're focusing on North America.
And Annabella asks, what does it cost to get a customer and what's the average spend?
Sorry, can you repeat the question again?
Yes, what does it cost to get a customer and what's the average spend?
As I said earlier, a majority of our customer are a recurring customer. We have a 600 customer, so we have existing customer base. We have a high quality product and we have a brand loyalty among our existing customer. In terms of new customer, we obviously go to industry convention, show by reaching out to prospective customer. We didn't do a detailed calculation of the cost to get to a customer because all of our customer are businesses and commercial grower, so these are not like a consumer. So we're not relying on social media or other mass communication. So it's a little bit difficult to tally the cost. But we obviously maintain a very active sales force. We go to this show, we spend money on the advertisement and so forth.
And Chanel asks, besides equipment, do you make money by selling the soft goods like seeds and fertilizer? Do you have any type of maintenance agreements?
We provide nutrient. We do not provide seed right now. And that's a very good question. And going forward, we would like to get into a ongoing maintenance and operation type of agreement with our customer once we have our connected farm.
And so address the technology that Nature's Miracle applies to indoor grow farms and the controlled environment, agricultural environment. How does this benefit the customer and the company in terms of margin profile?
Yes, we really want to promote our technology to reduce the cost to set up a indoor growing farm, as I said earlier, and also by introducing automation, by reducing to reduce the ongoing operating costs. So by doing that, obviously, number one, we're making vertical farming and greenhouse industry more profitable and sustainable, and also they can pass on the saving to the consumer to make the indoor growing vegetable more affordable to people, and also we can hopefully our customer can deliver the product to their consumer as a more reasonable cost base and also in a short distance rather than transporting this vegetable across the U.S. to give to their customer. And so obviously to our company, based on this technology and the product we are offering, we can increase our top line, but also we maintain a healthy margin.
And what are the opportunities associated with the energy rebate plan?
Yes, energy rebate plan, as I talked about earlier, it's a growing and a very important market for energy saving product. Essentially, cover not just the grow light, but cover a range of product, any product actually, which consumer energy. So the government are actively encourage consumer and businesses to reduce consumption of energy. Utility want to achieve that as well. So towards that end, we are offering our customer to switch from more energy intensive product to energy saving product, such as LED light, dehumidifier, and other product. by doing that, we help utility and also the grid to reduce the energy consumption. And obviously, we benefit from that based on the subsidy and provided by the utility company.
And Melissa asks, do you have competition in the space? And if so, are they using outdated technology, or how big is the market and the competition?
Yeah, we have a lot of competitors in this market. And obviously, indoor growing CG industry is a very young industry. It's growing with a rapidly changing technology. I would say this is similar to the electric vehicle market in the early stage. Essentially, in the early stage, with the application of technology, the solutions are generally more expensive compared to similar traditional technology. But as the technology evolves, the cost of such new technology will decrease and will make it more affordable and accessible on a mass scale. And so we're right at the eve of doing that. I think our competitive advantage is really we are striving to become a low-cost provider to our customer, because we believe that's the only way to make the industry sustainable and also for our customer to be profitable, and therefore also make NMHI to grow faster.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. If you have any closing remarks for our viewers, please, the floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you very much, Anna, for providing the platform. And we're very excited about the future of NMHI and also the industry we're serving. We're trying to introduce cutting-edge, low-cost technology to North American market. And we are very excited to work with potential partner, investor, and shareholder to achieve those goals. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Yeah, join us again on the conference in the near future. Thank you for your time today.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right, everyone. We'll be right back with Canoe.